Hello everybody, I'm back and today I show you more food I just bought from the stores. Actually about a couple hours ago. Yeah, I went to the store kind of late, but I did bought this stuff. Yep, I just want to show you where I live, what can I have, can I buy from here. Yep, I bought more stuff here. Also, I will tell you how to make the soy milk too. I will show you the video next time, but first I will sum up for you how to make it if you want to try first. This one is soy milk, but it's a different brand. So there's another brand today. This is soy milk. It's original. And I bought the coffee. This is for cup of coffee milk for the coffee. This is Yep, I can use for coffee or use another stuff too for dessert. Yeah, we use it with a lot with that, not just only a coffee. And yeah, I know another family they use some more different thing too with this, not just for the coffee. I bought the soy sauce. This is soy sauce. This is 38% less sodium, and this is in USA. And this one soy sauce too, and this is in USA too. And yep, that's the days. And then I have macaroni cheese. In this one, mashed potato, steakhouse Yukon Gold mashed potato, and about the Wonton wrapper here. And here the instruction how to make the mushroom and tofu wontons with the wonton wrapper here if you want to make it. I think I have another stuff here. This is Eggroll Wrappers. Yep, they have the instruction how to make here. Yep. And this is a raw pork. It's actually some frozen, but I didn't go straight to a house, so it's a kind of melt. But when you buy, it's in frozen. You can keep in the frozen for as long as you want. But don't keep too long. Probably the taste will different. Yep, it's and a tofu. This one is yep, another one. They have a lot more different brand of tofu out there, but I don't eat all of them at the same time, so I just wrap some for you to see. Today I just got one. And this next one is the bacon. Bacon is naturally hickory smoked, and this one is same thing. This one is hometown original, and this one a thick cut. Yep, those and this bread about $1. Yeah. Then for the bacon, how I use since my dad passed away, I haven't buy any bacon yet. But I can tell you how my dad did it in the bag. In the past, in the back, he uses for his style, and he made the stir fry noodle, stir fry vegetable. That's two different ones. And he made the fried rice, cut the small piece, and when he do the fried rice, he adds this in. So 3 different ways. Okay, another way is he's put on one slide on the pan, fry, and he add the egg. He fried the egg with that too. So eat the bread with the bacon and egg, and adds a little soy sauce sometimes. That's 4 different ways he make it. And another way is you use a bacon is back then in 30 years, 31, 34 years ago, 33 years ago. My mom, I don't know whose idea, my mom or my dad, but I saw my mom, she cooked it. She bought at home not the first one, the soya, kind of soya and thick in but the satay, and she bought at home. She steamed a boil in slide and put in the wrapper with the shrimp and vegetable and the rice noodle and wrap it. That's for the spring roll, because back then there no pork belly. No, none of the store in where I live had a pork belly, so she had to use a bacon, satay bacon. And when it's boiled in the satay, it came out, so it's a less salt. So that is another way. So there's 5 different ways we use the bacon as in our family. So far that I remember. And is there any different one? So far now I don't remember. But just next time, if I remember something, I will tell you the next time. This one is a soybean. I think I bought a long time ago, probably last year. I bought it in the Asian store. That's a product of USA, and they sell $3.99. This is 3 pounds, but I used some of them already, so this one less than a pound. Yep. I will show you how to make the soy milk from the scratch from a soybean. It's not difficult, but it's kind of little take times. Back then, because I want to drink a soy milk, I bought the soybean home, and then I start thinking how to make it. And then my dad saw I want to drink it, and he told me how to make it verbal. So I did that. It worked. It's came out the soy milk. It's rated than in the store, but it takes time. It's more time. It's a kind of time consuming. And also he can tell me how to make the the soft tofu we eat with the sugar soy syrup, ginger sugar syrup too, but that's need to have another stuff to add in to make it form. But I haven't used it. I haven't do it yet because I have to use that kind of little chemical, so I haven't used it yet. And another way is when you do the same way with when you make a soybean and you boil in a high heat, and they form on the top layer. You take it out, you hand it dry, and then later on you can use that for the stir fried vegetables, stir fried noodle, all kind of stuff. In another kind of tofu is